good and grumpy and good. We give our body a voice around others, and we practice going in and back out of grumpy, sad, angry, scared states using sound and gesture. It works online and in person. We start and end with cheerful, happy states. Both people play each role. The leader starts exploring good and grumpy states. The mirror is a witness and support person. For some people, keeping a steady stream of sound is the hardest part. The mirror can offer gentle encouragement.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. So that was one loop.
That's so funny.
I'll do one more with words. So, I am liking playing with you. This feels good. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. 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 Yes, and I like seeing you do some of mine, and then like you added this, which was yours, this with the hand coming down, and it all feels good. Yeah. There's just too many decisions to make, and I can't figure out what's important. It's just a lot happening. Oh, stop it. And I don't want people expecting so much of me, and I don't want to be alone, but I don't want to have to take care of people to be with people. Yeah. Scared. Oh, there's a person out there. It just all feels like a lot. Ugh, 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 ugh. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Yes, I like you playing with me. Thank you. So what did I notice? Well, I did a lot of just going in, but both times I seemed to find a way from grumpy back to good without having to decide to. It's like once I started feeling this turn into that, I knew if I looked at you and was doing that it was going to make me laugh. Since it was time to go back to good, I did it. And that hasn't always been the case. Sometimes when I do this exercise, I have to go, okay, 2 minutes of grumpy is long enough. Now we're going to go back to good. I liked, you gave me just the right amount of, you didn't outdo me, but you did enough that I didn't feel like I was too much at all. I felt met and held. Thank you.
Oh, good. That's good.
How about for you? What was it like to me?
I was delighted when you explained this delighted to know that that is an exercise and that that's actually helpful because I really like to do it. So I felt happy to do this.
Cool. You want to lead?
Sure.
You're on.
Oh man, things are good. Oh my god, I feel like I'm actually gonna die. Literally, things are so bad. And I'm like, literally just like at the edge. Which is why this exercise feels really good. I can't. I really cannot deal. Whew, I can't. Woo! Okay, thank you.
What did it feel like to do it? What'd you notice?
I noticed that it felt like a little embarrassing to do it in knowing that it was gonna go on the internet. I think I wasn't really doing it right.
You were doing it fast. I don't think you were doing it. I don't think there's a way to do it wrong.
It was, yeah, it felt kind of embarrassing. Like it was like I feel my real feeling.
Let me just say, in mirroring you, I liked the aliveness in it and the authenticity. I could feel you going back and forth. You know, and the first time when you went there, I thought, wow, she really knows how to act. And then I realized, no, she really knows how to go to different places in herself. It's not just acting. You know, there's a lot of authenticity in it, which is the point. Is, you know, it's good for us to be able to go back and forth between different parts of ourselves.
You can use body up co-regulation to get connected, to calm down, or to get going. For print instructions and more videos, visit wecoregulate.com. And remember, co-regulation is only co-regulation if it's good for both people.